Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm back with another tutorial video and I will show you how to change password on Amazon Prime Video. So make sure to stick till the end. Now let's start. First of all, on your device open Amazon Prime app. After that, make sure that you're logged into your Amazon account and you will see an icon at the top right corner of your screen, your profile icon. So tap on your profile icon. Now again at the top right hand side of your screen, you will see an settings icon. Tap on there. Now you will see a multiple option. Look for an option that says my account. After you find that, simply tap on my account. Now you will see an option that says manage account at the top. So again tap on that option. Now again tap on edit on Amazon option. Again, for the confirmation, provide your email address and then tap on continue. Now provide your password that you have used while creating your Amazon account for the confirmation. Once you're done with that, tap on sign in option. Now again you will be reloaded with the same option, so simply tap on edit on Amazon. After that you will be directed to this page that says login and security, which allows you to edit your information such as your name, your email, your mobile number and your password. So tap on edit option on your password section. Once you're done with that, you have to provide your current password and then the password that you want to change and re-enter your new password and simply tap on the save changes option and your password will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.